You're probably in a job right now. A job that doesn't satisfy you, surrounded by people you don't like. You're probably earning less than you consider fair. But why do you continue in this job that doesn't make you happy? The answer is simple: the features it offers. Be it the salary that pays your bills, the health plan that guarantees your security, or simply the stability that prevents you from taking a leap in the dark. However, what if I told you that there was a way to change this scenario? A formula to transform this situation of dissatisfaction into prosperity. It seems too good to be true, doesn't it? But believe me, it is possible. Before continuing, subscribe to the channel here, leave a like on this video, and don't forget to share this video on WhatsApp and Facebook to help this video reach more people. Let's talk about a harsh but important reality: poverty. Many of us face this on a daily basis, and it's hard not to feel overwhelmed when the bills keep coming in and the paycheck never seems to be enough to cover basic expenses. It's like being trapped in an endless cycle of financial difficulties with no way out in sight. But what if I told you that this reality could change? What if there was a light at the end of the tunnel, a path to wealth that is within everyone's reach? Yes, you heard right. No matter what your current situation is, no matter how tight your budget is, there is a path to financial prosperity that you can follow. It is not an empty promise or an illusion. It is a tangible reality within reach of all of us. The key is to change our mindset and adopt the right strategies to achieve our financial goals. The truth is that wealth is not just for the lucky or privileged few. It is for those who are willing to work for it, to learn, grow, and persist, regardless of the circumstances. It's for those who are willing to challenge the status quo and believe they deserve to do more than just survive. They deserve to thrive. So what's the secret? How is it possible to move from a condition of financial hardship to a life of abundance? The answer lies in changing your mindset and adopting habits that promote personal and financial growth. In other words, it is a paradigm shift. The first step towards this transformation is believing that it is possible. The human mind has incredible power, and when we truly believe in something, we are able to make it happen. So start by changing your mindset. Let go of limiting thoughts like, "I'll never be rich," or "this isn't for me," and replace them with positive, motivating affirmations. Repeat to yourself every day, "I am capable of achieving wealth, and I deserve to prosper financially." Furthermore, it is essential to educate yourself financially. Many poor people remain in this condition because they do not understand how money works and how they can make it work in their favor. Dedicate time to studying personal finances, investments, and strategies to increase your income. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, this is especially true. Another crucial aspect is the development of relevant skills. Instead of getting stuck in a job that doesn't fulfill you, try to acquire skills that are in high demand in the market. This could mean taking courses, obtaining certifications, or even seeking mentoring from experienced professionals. The more qualified you are, the greater the opportunities that will arise in your life. Furthermore, it is important to have an entrepreneurial mindset. Don't wait for opportunities to fall from the sky. Go after them. Be open to new ideas and willing to take calculated risks. Remember that success often comes to those who are willing to step out of their comfort zone and face challenges. And last but not least, it is essential to have discipline and perseverance. The path to wealth may not be easy, and you will face obstacles along the way. But remember that every obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow. Stay focused on your goals, be consistent in your efforts, and never give up, even when things seem difficult. Any poor person who adopts a growth mindset, invests in their personal and financial development, proactively seeks opportunities, and remains disciplined and persevering can transform their life and achieve the much-desired wealth in just 6 months. So what are you waiting for? The first step is to believe that it is possible. The next step is to act. The financial future you want is within your reach. The journey to wealth begins now. If you like these tips and want to receive more content about how to transform your financial life, Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. Also, if you found value in this video, please leave a like to help us reach more people who can also benefit from this information. And don't stop there. Share this video with your friends and family on social media such as WhatsApp and Facebook. After all, together, we can build a community of learning and growth, where everyone has the opportunity to prosper financially. Write the word wealthy mind in the comments so I know if you've watched this video so far.